Hi friends, welcome to new video. Today I explain about replacing the ink cartridge on HP 2130 model printer. Okay, let's see how to do. First, connect the power cable to the socket on the back side of the printer. Pull up this paper tray, then connect the power cable to this socket. After then, turn on the printer. This is the power button. Press on this button. Open this inner door. If it open, the ink carriage will come to the front of the printer. If you press the ink slightly down, it will come out. On the right side is black cartridge and the left side is color cartridge. Cartridge number is 123. The ink cartridge number is mentioned on the left side of the printer's door. Also mentioned where to place the ink cartridge, black and color. Black on right side and color is on the left side. Put the cartridges in right place and press it slightly. First one is black, I put like this. Next the color cartridge, also the same procedures. Put and press. Then close the door. Now printer is ready to work. Thanks friends. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.